Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is a quick update on the Wowstick screwdriver. I did this show last week about this fantastic little electric screwdriver for working on your portable radios and stuff like that. And I said in this video that the cheapest place I could find it was Walmart. Well, one of my subscribers let me know that now Amazon has them for sale for almost the same price. I'll show it to you right now. There it is, $26.56 plus free shipping. And you can see it's got a 5-star rating, or 4.8, excuse me, rating. I like this screwdriver so well at this price. I put it in my Amazon store. So you can now, if you'd like to, you can go to my Amazon store. Right here is the link below each of my videos in the description. If you go to my Amazon store, you'll see that item is the first item in my store because I just added. There's no extra cost to you. You're dealing directly with Amazon. What they do is they allow people to set up a web page on Amazon of stuff they recommend people buy based on things they've reviewed. And this is the case. I reviewed this screwdriver, and I really like it. Unfortunately, at the time I bought mine, which was about a week ago, they were like $50 on Amazon. Exact same item. Now they are only $26. Now maybe they were there before and I missed it. Man, I want to thank the gentleman who pointed this out, that it is available on Amazon for about the same price that I paid on Walmart. And now, one thing to keep in mind, I just noticed, look at the shipping. Wow, that is way out there. So if you're not in a hurry, you can get one of these from Amazon. Otherwise, you can get them from Walmart. Takes about a week from Walmart. They were on sale. Now, I haven't checked to see if they're still on sale. They were on sale for about the same price. So if you're willing to wait, you can get them on Amazon. And maybe that's what I saw before and said, nah, I'm too impatient. I don't wait. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the gentleman that pointed this out. And have a great day. Bye-bye.